with Sophia. Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi guys. So today I'm here with Sophia.
Hi.
And today we're playing berry thing. I forgot what his name is.
I don't know what it's called.
Okay, come on, girl.
Old grandma. Wait, no, this is not old grandma. Wait.
Come
Go
on.
away from me right now. You got 5 seconds to come back. 5, 4, 3. Okay, let's go. Open Daniel. Open Daniel. I can't open it. Okay. Can you wait for me?
Yeah.
Mario, Luigi, and Donkey Kong 2.
Princess Peach.
Peachy. Oh my god.
This dude is
God,
old.
he's so old.
How he get up this?
Girl, wait for me, please.
Alright, girl, he chasing
Can you stop? He chasing. Oh my god. Okay. First of all, we need it. We can't get up here. Mario, Luigi, and Donkey Kong 2. Hi. Wait.
Oh, he farted.
Ew, he farted. Oh my god. It was so wet. I need to go to the bathroom.
I gotta take a caca.
Ew, there's pee-pee in there.
Ew, girl, look at it.
Ew.
Ew.
Get out.
Girl, grab the shovel.
Wait for me.
Grab the shovel.
Wait, stop digging.
Come on, girl.
I'm right here. Chill, girl. Right here.
Girl, I got...
You better wait for me right now. Wait.
I died.
Luigi and Donkey Kong.
Where are you?
I'm almost there. My legs, they burn. Uh-oh.
Girl, wait for me.
What?
Wait for me.
Uh-oh.
Is it coming? He died.
Oh my god.
Come on, girl. Come on.
Oh my god.
I died too.
Oh my god.
Girl, you died.
Come on. Stay there.
Stay.
Oh.
Go.
Go in here. Okay, now go in here.
Hey, girl, hurry.
Climb this ladder. We're not gonna get smacked. Oh my god, I didn't even notice him.
Oh my god, girl, go. Girl, go.
I go here. I go here.
Girl, he can't get you if you up on the thing.
He didn't get me.
He didn't?
What do I do now?
Press the lever.
I did. Oh wait, there's stairs. I need to go up them. Wait, girl, come on. Go up the stairs. There's stairs.
He chasing me, girl. He chasing me.
He chasing you?
Yeah, he ain't no more. Fat dude.
Oh, I did. Hi.
Girl, where are you? Where you go?
He chasing me again.
Wait for me.
Okay, now I got this. Drink that. Hey! Hey!
I gotta get.
Hey!
I got this juice, girl.
What?
I got this juice. Wait for me.
Me too. I already made it.
Can you wait for me?
I'm waiting for you. Hi.
Woo. Girl, it looked like I farted.
Go to the storage room.
What, is he gonna chase me?
You can't go on his foot. I think he's right there. Find the ladder. Found it. You're supposed to go up the vent. Hey! Oh my god. Hey! Okay, I made it. Did you make it?
Yeah. Where are you?
Girl, how did you get all the way over there? Right here.
Where are you? Oh, hi.
I'm right here. I'm right next to you. Oh my! I died.
Oh.
Hey, where are you? Can you come back for me?
Girl, I'm on top of you.
How you on?
I made it.
You're not on top of me.
I made it, girl.
First of all, how did you get? Wait.
What was that?
Hey, so that, and then, wait.
Alice!
I don't know what to do. Supposed to. I know what to do. Oh my god. Just jump over them.
That won't work, girl.
What do you mean it won't work? For real? I don't know what you're supposed to. I know what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to, like, click on.
Close the
So
file.
jump down, go to the line, click that, and then.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, I think that's it.
I'm so dumb. Now what, girl?
I think there's one right here. Wait, I don't know where the other one is. Oh my god!
Where is it?
I don't know the last one. What's the last one? Wait, go to Santa Claus.
Oh my god.
Wait, I found it.
You found it? Wait, where?
I went to the ladder and then I found it.
To the ladder?
Yeah.
Oh. How do you get up there, though?
I don't know. Wait, I know what to do. Climb up here. Like I just died. Girl, where are you?
Where is you?
Where's so go to the Santa Claus. Huh.
Yeah.
Wait, I think I know where to get there. How to get there. So go up the ladder.
Yeah.
And you see that one, right? So just go over here and jump. So jump all the way back, and then I think you'll make it to the other side. So.
Oh my God! She keeps calling.
What happened?
My auntie, she keeps calling me, and she knows that she could just come over.
Are you gonna answer her?
She knows she could just come, but I think that's all.
Oh God, this is the same thing.
Oh, girl, I did all of them.
Wait, how?
It was only 3.
Where did you pass the other one?
Girl, the one that was right there at the 2 that you had told me.
Where? I can't see it.
Okay, go straight.
Like here?
Yeah, go straight, and then follow the blue things.
What? Like... Where do I go?
I said follow the blue things.
What blue things?
Girl, where are you? Where'd you go?
I'm in the blue ladder, and I don't have to get. I don't know how to get to the other side.
Oh my God! Wait. Hello? Hi, Dad. Nothing. I'm playing with Sophia. Yeah. Okay. All right. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Bye-bye. Love you. No! Girl, I'm all the way back where you start.
Oh.
Wait for me, girl. Can you leave and rejoin for me? Oh my God. Wait, girl. AFK, I'll let you catch up to me.
Okay.
Wait, girl. Ah! I gotta leave the game for a second. I gotta go to my phone numbers. Girl, guys, don't you dare look at this. Okay.
What happens if I leave the game?
I'm out of the game, so I'll just join you.
So what's the number?
Wait, let me find the...
More than 100 million Americans rent, but more than 97% of renters don't get credit for paying their rent on time. With Self, you can change all that and build credit just by paying your
Alright, 725 260 5211. Obama friend.
Girl, where are you?
Girl, chill out. Wait. Mm-hmm. Girl.
Oh my god.
Y'all did not see anything, okay? Don't y'all dare call that number. But you can if you want to talk to me. Abba, 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 abba.
Oh, hi, girl.
I can hear Barry's farts. I can hear Barry's farts. Girl, where are you?
Hold on. I'll be right back.
Okay. Let me look for her. Because I think she's like far ahead. She's right there. I'm gonna wait for her. Oh, Lord. Okay, girl. I'm where Barry chases you.
He chasing you?
Yeah, his old self is chasing me.
How did you do that?
Oh, girl, I just went past you. I'll wait for you.
Wait for me?
Yeah, I'll wait for you. Don't worry. I'm in the vents.
Just wait for me there.
I am. Let's just go to the emoji. Hi. Wait.
Where are you?
I got his phone. Yeah. Come down. It's a beautiful day.
Hi, girl.
You wait. Okay, come on. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Wait, girl, stop going so fast. Wait for me. Stop, you push me.
How did I push you?
Ah! Okay, come on.
Wait.
Girl, wait for me. Wait for me, I died. Girl, what is wrong with your thing?
I'm right behind you.
Alright, cool.
Can you wait for me?
Girl, you said that you right behind me.
No. Wait.
Girl, are you okay? Come on. Because I hear like fart sounds.
Wait.
Wait, girl, don't go yet. Over here, don't go. Okay.
Oh my god.
You good, girl? I'm at the ladder.
Can you come back for me?
Girl, I can come back for you. I can wait for you, though. Guys, look, it's fire. Girl, you died. You died.
Oh no.
This girl got the same jeans as me.
Who?
This girl got the same jeans as me.
Oh my god.
Bro, where is you?
It kicked me out of the game.
Oh my god. I'll wait for you.
You're not even in the game anymore.
Okay, I'll wait for you.
Firework.
What?
I heard a firework.
Why are they shooting fireworks and it's like, it's not even July, so.
It's like 8 outside. And
It's
I
what?
heard another one.
That's probably gunshots because nobody does this. Girl, you better get down up on your floor right now. Girl, listen to me.
I'm pretty sure those are just fireworks.
I'm pretty sure they.
Someone just wants to have fun and they just want to shoot fireworks.
Girl, hurry up. Hurry up. I'm where the ball goes.
They're not even in the game.
Girl, just click on me.
I did, and it says you're not playing the game.
That I'm just online.
No, it says that you're offline.
Okay, girl, join me.
Oh.
Oh my, what am I? What the heck?
Why are you playing that?
Girl. Look at my avatar. I hate it.
Wait, what's your avatar?
Okay, you know what? Don't join me.
I did.
Girl, love. I swear.
You told me to join you, so I did. And if you're not in the game, I will end the call.
Girl, I'm in the game, chill.
Or I'm gonna do nothing. Are you in the game?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Hi, girl. My avatar looks so ugly. Never mind. Why I look like this? Everything is like great. Girl, go to the racing.
Okay. You should get a bigger horse. Why my horse look like this?
Look like what? It's
Hey.
my thing is loading.
Oh.
Now my screen is all black. Now it says please wait.
This is weird. Girl, what?
Take me one more time. I deserve
Wait, hold on.
Oh, I'm in the game. Hi, girl.
Hi.
I'd rather not move at all because that would make you slower. Girl, why do you walk like horses?
Huh?
Why do you walk like horses?
What do you mean?
You always walk like horses in school.
How?
You put one foot up and then you turn your neck like slowly and then turn it the other way.
I don't know.
I don't care about these things. Girl, I'm in last place. Never mind.
I'm in first place.
Lucky.
Wait, first of all, how do I walk like horses in school?
Like you do because you're like obsessed with horses.
Wait, is it because I put my head up and down?
Yeah.
Oh. This is hard.
You think Aaliyah still likes us?
Huh?
Do you think Aaliyah still likes us?
No.
I think she does. I think she'll apologize.
I don't think she does.
This girl is just galloping. Watch me, girl. I'm in first place. Well, second.
I'm in first place as always.
Girl, no, I'm in first place.
You don't have to always jump on it.
Girl, wait, let me be in first place.
Hmm?
Woo! I'm in first.
Yeah, I'm in first. Look.
No, look, I'm in first place. Oh, you are? I'm in second place.
Girl, that's still good.
Yeah?
It's still good to be in second place.
Yeah, it sure does. Feels good to be like up in first place. Like, really like, just my horse is walking. I thought we were done recording, but no. I can't help it, my horse is the fastest horse. Girl, at first I was jealous of you because you got everything. But now I'm not because we're besties. Wait, girl, let me be in first place. Yes. Girl, let me be in first place. I want to be in first. Let me be in first place.
What?
Let me be in first place.
I already got in first place. Yeah.
Next time, can you let me be in first place?
I'm queen of horses.
Yeah,
So,
can I be the princess? I want to be the princess.
Yeah, I'm gonna just say, rawr. Yes. Wait, they updated the rear.
They updated what?
Right? Nothing.
Girl, tell me, you never keep secrets from your besties. Tell me. Oh my god, my horse's teeth is so bad. It stinks. My horse's teeth stink. His breath stinks.
Wait, get another horse.
No. Why? It's only
Go the other way around. Hey, hiya. Come on, you got these. Is it only us?
No, it's another girl.
Oh, wait. Wait for me. Oh my god.
I can't help it. My horse is better and faster. Well, it's faster, but not better.
You know I'm gonna get in first place, right? Or maybe not.
I know.
Girl, can you stop? Wait, stop. I see something. Wait.
Girl, you tricked me.
Yeah. Never fall for my pranks.
Chili fries?
What?
Girl, I got some chili fries. I got some cheese. Girl, I got chili cheese fries for dinner.
Get a bigger horse. You'll get faster.
Girl, I'm faster than you.
We'll see the next round.
Okay.
I'm gonna definitely win.
I'm a win, girl.
No, I'm gonna win. You'll see about this. Something you and me. Let's see. I'm gonna definitely win. Okay. See? Told you. Top of my channels. Hey, see, I'm winning.
Wait, girl, I see something. Look.
Where?
Wait, stop your horse. There's something in the woods. Look.
see another. Girl, you're trying to trick me.
Stop! Can I at least get first place? I never get first place. Please?
Hey, y'all.
You're mean.
See, I won.
You're mean.
How?
Ooh.
Are you gonna report me?
Yeah.
Right now?
Yeah.
No.
Then let me win.
I just left the game.
Why? No, you didn't.
Because you're gonna report me.
I'm just kidding, girl.
My God. Hiya. Can you join me? I want to play this game.
Okay.
Oh my God, he looks like Aaliyah's dad.
Who?
Wait, go join this obby. This looks like Aaliyah's dad.
Oh my God, girl.
Does he look like that?
No.
Like he does to me.
Girl, I'm eating shrimp.
Huh?
I'm eating shrimp.
This looks like Leah's dad.
Girl. Are you on easy mode?
Yeah, I'm on easy.
Me too. Girl, where are you?
I don't know. Girl, you got 5 seconds to come over here. Okay.
How when I don't know where you are?
Make it fair. I'm kind of slowly to make it fair, okay?
Okay.
Why? 2, 3, 4.
Girl, where are you?
Oh my God, it's the stepdad. Oh my God, it's Aaliyah's dad.
Girl.
Oh my God, we be playing Ring Around the Rosie.
Girl. Oh my God.
He looks like Elmo. Oh my God. He like, la la la. Oh my God. Oh my God. He got me.
He got me too.
Hi, girl. He actually does look like Aaliyah's dad.
Girl.
Oh my God. He got me. Wait for me. Hiya. He can't get me here.
Girl, I passed it already.
Can you wait for me?
Yeah, let me get this checkpoint real quick.
He keeps getting me. You know, I'm just gonna play Ring Around the Rosie with him.
Girl.
Ring around the rosy. Oh my god. Oh. I can't open the door.
You gotta
Can
get
you
a key.
wait for me?
Girl, you gotta get a key.
I gotta get a key.
Yeah.
I don't know where the key is. Hey.
You'll find it, girl. Elmo,
I don't know
Elmo.
how to get on there.
I'ma just go cause you is.
Wait. Can you just wait for me?
Can you just wait for me?
Hi, yeah. You can't get me. Hi, yeah.
That musty man.
I made it. Wait for me.
Come on, girl.
Wait. Girl, if you don't wait for me right now, wait for me.
Girl, I am waiting for you.
You got 5 seconds to come down here. 5, 3, 2. You got 1 more second. 1. Thank you. Find the key. Why did you talk like that? Gosh. Wait for me. I got the key. Okay. Where are you?
I keep clicking the key.
I got it.
Me too.
Open.
Let's get out of here.
Anyway.
Girl, what's gonna happen?
Well, oh my god, why he chasing me through the hallway? He be like, I'm a model. Hey, yeah.
Gotta
He's
go.
gonna get you, girl. Come on, get up here.
Wait, am I running out of time? Los tiempos.
How did that kill us?
I'm running out of time.
Hey, wait, stop.
Los tiempos.
I made it.
Girl, wait.
Wait.
Wait for me.
Why? Uh-oh. Oh my god, he's chasing me. I can't.
Why does he keep chasing us?
I don't know. Hey. Oh my god, he chasing
Oh my god, bro. Let's crunch.
Where are you? I made it already.
Wait, girl, wait.
You got 5 seconds. Now I hit a chord. 5, 4.
Wait, because I don't know where this maze is heading.
Watch out the floor lava. Hi, oh my god. Hi. Oh my god, die.
Girl, where are you?
I'm in the lava.
Same. I died.
I'm already starting to get up. So I say when you died.
Girl, you better wait for me right now.
What?
Wait for me
Or
right
what?
now. Or else.
So what's gonna happen? What?
I will come to your house. And you know what's going to happen next.
Know my address.
Oh, girl, yes I do.
Okay.
You better wait for me right now.
Why? Huh?
You better wait for me right now.
What?
Right now, girl.
Girl, you're right there.
Where are you?
I already made it.
Girl, I said you better wait for me right now. Okay.
I'm just gonna go.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
What? Girl, you can't come to my house.
Yes, I can.
Your parents are not gonna let you.
Yes, they will.
Oh my god, girl, you sound like a robot.
So, I suggest you wait for me. Because I keep...
I made it!
You better wait for me right now.
Oh my god. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Who? Okay, let's go. Oh my god. He chased me. Wait, hold down. I made it. Girl, where are you? You're taking forever.
Wait, there's another way that I have to press 2 buttons.
No, there isn't.
Yep, there is.
How? I made it. Yes.
Wait.
I see you right there.
Girl, I opened another door.
You have to open another door. That's why you can't get.
I opened another door for real.
I made it.
Girl,
Oh my god, you're chasing me. Like the lava. This is easy. Hi.
dang it.
Where are you? You got Bowser. Come on here.
I had to open the door.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 21. When you win, 0, 22, 23, 25, 26, 28, 20, and win.
1.
You got 21 seconds. Come on, huh? Cool.
Girl, your voice sound like AI.
Huh?
Your voice sound like AI.
What is that?
Girl, are you clueless?
Uh-oh. Oh my gosh.
You are clueless, Caillou.
Oh my god, he's right there. Get him. Oh my god, he chased me. This is easy. He's so slow. Hey. Shoot.
Girl, where are you?
I'm shooting this person. I'm shooting him.
where the lava part is.
Uh-oh.
What? Why you say uh-oh?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing?
Oh my god. He keeps getting, okay.
Girl, I want to see the size. Oh my god.
Oh my god, he's so big. I'm trying to. Hey. Hey. Oh my
Come
god.
on, boy.
Okay.
Get over here.
Oh my god. Oh my god. He got me.
Are you serious right
Oh
now,
my
bro?
god. Oh my god. Keeps doing that.
I'm never going to defeat him.
I'm going to because I think I already made it. Just keep shooting him.
I'm shooting, girl, I'm shooting.
Keep shooting him
I
until
am.
he dies. Shoot. Oh my god.
I'm shooting this Caillou dude.
Hiya.
Wait, girl, this is Caillou when he's old.
He just stopped. Oh my god, he's gonna
Are you
explode.
serious? Girl, I'm clicking him non-stop. What is wrong with him?
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Okay, he's going down fast.
I made it.
You made it? You're lucky.
Never mind, I didn't make it. Go help me. Help me. Oh my god.
I'm helping you, girl. I'm helping.
Send me. Oh my god.
He's taking damage.
I need to complete this right now.
Girl, I died.
I didn't die.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Can this dude so slow? Oh my god. Wait, do you have to start all over again?
No. I mean, yes, you do. He just yeeted me, bro.
Oh,
He keeps
he
yeeting
did
me.
that to me too.
That
He
boy.
did that to me too. Why is this so hard?
Run, 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 run.
No, he got me. No fair. Kill him.
Girl, he keeps tapping on
I
me.
did it. Yes.
You did? Lucky?
Did you make it?
No. Not yet.
Congrats, you beat evil stepdog. Yay.
Girl, he keeps yeeting
Don't
me.
worry, girl. I'm coming back for you. And get this dude right here.
I beat him.
Escape iPad kid. They have an Ice Spice Escape obby.
Girl, don't you dare do that.
Why?
Because she's so scary.
Wait, why is there a ladder? Wait, go on the trampoline. We. Hi. Hi.
Ooh. swings. Wait, what's
Wait,
this?
go to the seesaw.
Okay. Where's the seesaw? Oh.
Right here.
Come on, girl. Let's go on the playground. Oh my God! They all crashed down. Woo!
I'm gonna go to the big one. Oh my God. Owie.
You good, girl? Yeah.
Owie.
Woo!
What's up this ladder?
Wait, there's a... When did that ladder get there? Why am I climbing?
God, there's a ball pit.
Girl, look where I'm climbing. OMG.
What?
Look how I'm climbing.
This is so high.
Girl, look how I'm climbing. I'm putting a little bit into it.
We're almost there.
Girl, I got a grapple hook.
We made it. What's this?
Girl, look, I got a grapple hook.
Oh. Ball.
Yeah, woohoo!
We got balls.
Woo!
How do you get up there?
Woo! Yeah.
Wait, come up here.
Girl, where do you want me to go?
No. Here, do the escape iPad kid. Come here.
The iPad kid? Okay.
Go to this one. Oh my God. It's easy. That's the iPad kid. We got perm boys. We got perm. Where are you?
I'm right here, girl.
Hi, girl.
Girl, come on.
Hi. Wait for me.
Just keep on, girl. Keep up.
We got perm boys. We got perm. On with your course.
Girl, wait for me.
I do. Girl, you're right there.
What you mean I'm right there? I don't see you anywhere. Oh. Yeah.
Girl, why are you running in place? Yes, I made it.
Yay, you made it. God, I made it. It's a great job.